Hello everyone, Mrs. Schauf here. We're going to be doing another lesson about why research is fun and even more true things. This time, we're going to be talking about the third most important thing when it comes to research. And you're probably thinking right now, what could possibly be the third thing? Well, it is using keywords to search. Keywords might not be something that you've heard of before. So, if you think about Google and what it is, Google is a way to just put in words and get information back. But the thing about Google is what it does is it uses keywords. Keywords are one or two words that boil your search down to its core. So the last thing I would do as a researcher is put a full sentence into Google. Google doesn't know what to do with all of those extra words because really what it wants to do is just look for the one or two words you need to find. So we have to do that with the questions we write. So when you have a research question, you should boil it down to the one or two words you want to search for that make the core of your question. An easy way to do that is to look at something like this. This is how you find keywords. You would write your question either on your paper or somewhere on your computer, and then try and find the most important words in that question. So here's a question I have. What do birds eat? I want to find the most important words in that sentence so that I can just have one or two words to search for. And if I were going to do that, I'd think, what is most important for my search? What words can I get rid of so Google doesn't get confused? I would come up with birds and eat. And that would help my search so that Google doesn't get confused by all that other stuff and would help me find what I needed. You can even take it a little bit further though. Another thing you can do, and a very good idea, is to use synonyms to find more results. So, a synonym is a word or phrase that means something exactly the same as what you're trying to say. Google and everything like that, a database, is, like I said, an algorithm. So when you put in different words, you're going to get different results. So let's go back to our question. What do birds eat? We already know our keywords are birds and eat. We can make synonyms from the word birds. We could get more specific. We could do parrots. And if we know what kind of parrot we're researching, we could even go even more specific. I want to know what umbrella cockatoos eat. That's going to help Google find a more specific result for our search. But then we have the word eat, don't we? That's our other keyword. We could change that to nutrition, umbrella cockatoo nutrition, birds nutrition, parrots nutrition, or we could do diet, parrots diet, umbrella cockatoo diet, birds diet. We could use any of those and we could use them at different times. So if you're not getting what you need from birds eat, you would look up parrots diet and get something completely different. So you're going to be using those keywords, synonyms, phrases on databases. And it's really easy to get to. I have another video that shows you how to get to our specific databases, but what are they specifically? They are a collection of information from published works. They include magazines, newspaper articles, encyclopedias, and other reference books. The most important thing to know about our databases and why you should be using them at home is that experts have researched this information and put it together just for you. It's things that people have gone through and said, yes, this looks true. Yes, you should use this as a source. That's what makes databases better than just going straight to Google. You don't have to worry about the source that you're getting your information from because they've already been vetted or looked through by professionals and brought to you in a way that's easy. So if it were me, I would go to a database when I'm trying to do research because I don't want to do more work. I don't want to have to think about if a source is reliable. All I would have to do is go to a database and it's already been decided for me. If you have any questions about this or something else, feel free to email me at mrsschauf@williamson.com. Thank you.